At last, we meet for the first time for the last time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, buckle up and prepare to embark on a wild journey as we search for the elusive serial number on this turnstile. Because in the vast space of access control, it's the Schwartz that holds the key.
Hi, I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization.
Excuse me. No, excuse me. Thanks. That guy, right? I mean, come on. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Yeah. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Hayward HT431 full height video, please click on the link in the description. After removing the top cover, you're going to want to locate the control head. There will be a placard located on the control head from the manufacturer listing the serial number. This isn't as advanced as the combination to the air shield. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is much simpler. What you have here on the placard is the model number. So here is HT431-3 8 1 5. So if you ever have an issue with a Hayward unit in the field, you would call up Hayward's customer service and repeat that number to them, and they would be able to tell you the exact orientation of what that unit was ordered for. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile, guys. We'll see you next time.